This week, we're answering your biggest questions about investing, about when to start, about using apps, and about when is a bad time to start investing. Hint, the answer to that one is never. If you want answers to these questions, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. So when it comes to investing, the most important thing to do is start as soon as possible. The sooner you start, the more time your investments have to grow. So if you've been stuck trying to figure out what brokerage to use to start investing, well, let's help you make your answer by the end of this video. Here's what you need to know to make your decision. I'm gonna talk through 5 different brokerages. Okay, Robinhood. Robinhood markets itself as being a beginner-friendly investing option. It's a great app for getting started, but if you plan to invest in index funds, you can't do that from Robinhood. So feel free to use Robinhood to get started, then opt for one of the other larger brokerage firms when you're really ready to dive in. Schwab. Schwab is a good option for investors who need a full-service broker that performs strongly across the board. The benefit of Schwab is that they also offer a bank. So if you're opting for simplicity and minimalism and want to keep your savings and your investments in one place, this is a good option for that. eTrade. eTrade is a solid brokerage option regardless of what type of investor you are, passive or active, novice or expert. It provides thorough educational resources and analysis. So eTrade is one of the better options if you plan to make frequent trades. Vanguard. Vanguard is a low-cost, long-standing brokerage that is best for long-term investing. So if you plan to opt for the set it and forget it approach, Vanguard is the way to go. They offer some of the best performing, lowest fee funds, and you can only get access to them from a Vanguard account. Also, if you ever decide that you don't want to manage your investments on your own, you can opt into Vanguard Personal Advisory Services for a fee of 0.3% and have your assets managed for you. Finally, Fidelity. Fidelity is a one-stop financial shop for investors. It's best for casual investors and traders who want access to more tools and charting and technical analysis. It's regularly voted the best overall brokerage choice. Bottom line here, don't get hung up on which brokerage to use. You're better off just picking one of these large brokerages and getting started. They're all relatively the same. And if you're still feeling conflicted, just go with Vanguard. But really, you can't go wrong. All right, that's it for today. If you want to learn more about investing, check out our free class where we teach you the mindset and principles you need to know to build wealth. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for watching.